someone at Abuja met me and said, what? Why not, he's a government official. Good number of them came to see me. So why not advise P2B to step down? Yeah, the senator is from APC anyway. Why not advise him to step down? This thing is not workable. Who will declare him? Which government will declare him? The president could make the appointment of the judge, and all the INEC officers, electoral committee elected by the president, they have positioned everywhere that the journey will end in futility. You must say, shut up. You see how human being reasons. Man's extremity is God's opportunity. And the Igbo boys are forming into city gang. They are not city boys, they are city fools. Yes. Amen and amen. Esau. They are the Esau's of Igbo land. And the girls have joined them. Foolish girls, women who could not see beyond their physical needs. Amen and amen. And I said, what? Your proposition may be correct without God. But when God is involved, there is hope, and your proposition is wrong. Human being may have all the strategy, but God has the final say. Believe what I'm telling you, my children. I don't even know what you are passing through as you are hearing my voice. I don't know unless oh, my children, imitate me as I imitate Christ. You see this man here, unwavering faith.